Modal verb-like expressions. 1. Have to. Usage expresses obligation or necessity. 2. Be able to. Usage indicates ability or capability, similar to can. 3. Be supposed to. Usage refers to expectations or something people are meant to do. 4. Be going to. Usage refers to future plans or intentions. 5. Be allowed to. Usage expresses permission. 6. Be about to. Usage refers to something that is going to happen very soon. 7. Had better. Usage, strong advice or recommendation, with an implied consequence. 8. Would rather. Usage expresses preference for one thing over another. 9. Would prefer. Usage similar to would rather expresses a polite preference. 10. Be bound to. Usage indicates something is certain to happen. 11. Be likely to. Usage refers to something that has a high probability of happening.